Hello everyone, this is Julian from Kanen Coffee, and today we have a Profitec with us in the shop. And I came in for a intermediate issue. Let me just move the camera. The intermediate issue was that the heating element, after a while of staying on, would actually turn off and not reheat itself. You could kind of replicate this by constantly running the steam to, catch it at some point. I was able to do it once. Which is usually an indicator that the relay is going bad. So we did replace the relay. I actually have the original one over to my left here, as you can see. Sometimes these can fail and not cause the right amount of power to go to the steam boiler. After replacing it, I was unable to get it to act up. I've been testing it for about 2 days now. So I did descaling yesterday. That took around 2 hours-ish. And today, just kind of wrapping up and leaving the machine on for a long time. I left it on for an entire day. And yes, I was unable to get any issues with the heating. After that, I also did a tune-up. As I mentioned, the descaling process, that's a part of our tune-up, where we descale both the heat exchanger and the steam boiler. I did that and also drained out the steam boiler while I was in there because I had to run a hose into the boiler to drain it completely. I also replaced the gasket on the vacuum release valve, so you shouldn't see that leaking on you anytime soon with a brand new gasket. And on top of that, cleaned out the group head by changing the shower screen and gasket, and also just back flushed to make sure everything was nice and clean. So now we're going to quickly test the machine. I'm just going to pour this coffee out. We have some coffee in here. It should grind pretty well. This machine does have flow control on it, but we're not going to use it today. We're just going to let it run at full bars to show it brewing at around 11 bars there. Don't worry if it runs a little too fast or a little too slow. We don't calibrate our grinders to these machines. As you can see, it's brewing at about 11 bars. The grinder we use for this one is actually for our display model, so that kind of checks out because we are using rotary pumps out at the displays. But yeah, it looks like a really good shot coming out. As you can see, pump's not moving around, which is good. That means you have good health in your pump. It's very consistent. So we're going to turn that off now. Now, we did backflush the machine. What this usually does is that the oils that are in the group head valve tend to clean out. So sometimes it could be a little squeaky for the first few shots of brewing. So if you notice any sort of squeaking on the first month or so, don't worry, that's completely normal. It's just because we completely got rid of the lubricant when backflushing, and as you brew coffee, the coffee oils tend to self-lubricate that bottom valve. Now we're going to quickly test the steam just to show that the steam's working. As you can see, working well. Nice and consistent. And of course, a hot water tap if we were to move it in a safe direction. Works great. And that's about it for this repair. If you like this video or any of our other repairs on our channel, leave a like, subscribe, and hit the bell. Thanks for watching.